Let's talk about private clouds. When we think about the term cloud, it always doesn't mean that it's with a third party provider. It could be within your organization as well. Private clouds are owned and operated by organization that uses the resources from that cloud. The organizations or enterprises will create their own cloud environment with their own data center. That means the resources, hardware, storage, and everything else that's required to make a cloud is within the data center of the enterprise. And that means that employees of the organization can use a self-service provisioning portal to log in to the private cloud and then create computing resources. The organization, although, always remains the owner and is entirely responsible for the operation of the services they provide. A good use case for this private cloud scenario would be when an organization has data that they really do not want to put in the public cloud. Perhaps there could be legal reasons. For example, medical data that has to be compliant with HIPAA standards cannot be exposed publicly. Another scenario is where the government policies require specific kind of data to be kept in the country privately. In the next video, let's take a look at the characteristics of private cloud that actually make it private.